What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the owner's smartphone which is not receiving MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on mobile network. Now click on mobile data, and then here in mobile data tap on access point names. Now here in access point names tap on MMS, and from here check all the MMS settings. So if there is a issue in settings, then fix that issue, and after fixing the issue tap on this tick icon, and after that you will start receiving the MMS messages. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again, scroll down and click on apps. Now again click on this apps option, and then scroll down and here click on messages. Now go to the storage of messages and then clear the app data and cache memory of messages. So to clear the cache memory tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data tap on clear data, and then tap on OK from the pop-up to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory and app data, the MMS receiving issue will be 100% fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on reset. Now click on reset network settings. Now again click on this reset network settings option here, and when you will tap on this option, it will reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings back to default, but it will not delete anything from your phone. And after doing this, the MMS receiving issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the owner smartphone which is not receiving MMS messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.